Welcome to this episode on ethical AI in education. Today, we'll explore the responsibilities that come with using AI in the classroom, from protecting student privacy to ensuring fairness and equity, so you can integrate AI with confidence and integrity. AI is transforming education, but with great power comes great responsibility. As teachers, embracing AI means understanding its ethical challenges, because how we use these tools impacts student privacy, fairness, and equity. Today, we're exploring what ethical AI in education really means and how to use it responsibly in your classroom. First, why do ethics in AI matter? AI tools are incredibly useful, but they process and store data, sometimes in ways that aren't always clear. Protecting student privacy is a top priority, ensuring their personal information isn't exposed or misused. AI algorithms must also be fair. If an AI system has biases in its data, it can lead to unfair grading, incorrect feedback, or even inequitable learning recommendations. And finally, teachers must remain central in the learning process. AI is a tool, but it should never replace human interaction and judgment. Let's break down the key ethical considerations when using AI in education. First, always verify AI-generated content for accuracy. AI tools can sometimes provide incorrect or misleading information, so fact-checking is essential. Second, be mindful of data privacy. Never input student names, grades, or personal details into AI systems. Third, recognize and challenge biases. AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, its responses will be too. Review outputs regularly to ensure fairness. Fourth, ensure AI tools are accessible to all students, regardless of their background or resources. And finally, always maintain transparency. Let students and parents know how AI is being used in the classroom. Data privacy is a major concern. Choose AI tools with strong security policies, avoid sharing personal student details, and educate students about online privacy. Teaching digital responsibility helps students use AI safely, both in and outside the classroom. Bias in AI is another critical issue. Because AI systems learn from existing data, they can inherit biases. This can affect everything from grading to student recommendations. The solution? Regularly review AI-generated insights, compare them with your own observations, and make sure no student is unfairly disadvantaged. AI can also promote equity, but only if used correctly. Some students may not have personal devices, so offering shared resources is key. AI-powered accessibility tools, like text-to-speech and language translation, can support diverse learners and make education more inclusive. And most importantly, AI should support, not replace teaching. The human element in education is irreplaceable. AI can automate tasks, suggest improvements, and enhance engagement, but it can't replicate the relationships, encouragement, and adaptability that teachers provide. Combining AI with your expertise is the most effective way to enhance learning. So, how can you start using AI ethically? Keep student privacy in mind, review AI-generated content carefully, and ensure that technology serves every student fairly. AI isn't a shortcut. It's a tool to support educators and make learning more effective. By using AI responsibly, we can create a future where technology enhances education without compromising ethics. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and explore more ways AI can be used responsibly in education.